guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ileana Angelina, and today let's do a review of Esalon highlighter kit. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and set the alert for more videos like this. And let's start. Esalon is a company from California. I've been using their products, and the formulas are really, they're really natural made. I don't know, my hair really reacts to them very good, and that's why I got into this beautiful kit that it's just to try to do highlights at home. So basically you put your hair color and they will create a formula for you, or you can pick one of the formulas that are already made for different highlights that you're looking forward to achieve. So I selected like light blonde, and hopefully they look the way that they presented in the website, because they have a beautiful ad about that, and I really like it. So why not trying this together? The box is the first time that I'm opening this box. So the box is small, which I like because we don't want to fill ourselves with so many boxes. It's a small. Good. Now, poem over here. So, a poem, I like it. If it's Voltaire or Napoleon, yeah. Okay, this is the recap. Icing on the cake. Hashtag color happiness. Very good, very good, very good. This is the lighting set instructions. My tone is light blonde hair. That will be my color. And here tells the instructions. And it says here, sticker up your instruction just for you. Size a gift? Really? Sticker? What I'm gonna do with a sticker? Good, sticker, not needed. Okay. Quick tips to highlight the way. Before you start, look at the mirror and say, mirror, mirror on the wall. No, just kidding. It says, hey, you, pretty thin. Hey, you, pretty thin. Ooh. This is absolutely mandatory. Very good. I will say mirror, mirror on the wall. Hey, pretty thin. Good. Open up the kit and skim through the product safety and usage. Done. Lay out the rest of the stuff in your counter to make it easy for applying. Place a damp towel nearby. Okay. Very good. So what's inside? Basically, the activation, which this should work, such as the blender. Yes, the blender. And a nice brush. Let's check. This is the activator, which I think you put this with the powder. This is the helps to reduce and counteract unwanted tone. So this is the toner. This is the toner. So I was reading that based on your hair length, you wanna tag to this. So I will use half of a bottle, but if I need more, I will just use it all. What we have to lose? Nothing. So use it all. Who cares? Now, this is the kit. Everything you need to apply. Let's see. Okay. Oh my God, what is this? Dios mío. Oh, this is a shampoo. This is the shampoo. Okay, so this is the shampoo, and this is the safety and usage. So, okay, very good. We basically, like you wanna keep it clean, you wanna be quick, and you wanna pray God for success. If not, we just call our stylist. Please, I need you. And then she will go. Well, if she can, if she no can, someone else. Okay, so they said that they put two pair of gloves. Oh, okay. They said that they put two pairs of gloves so you can trash the first one and then you can use the other one when you wash it. Okay, sure, why not? So I am going to start. No, I am not gonna put my glove. Let's open this. I'm scared because I haven't tried this. So I look cool and I look fun and everything, but promise you, I haven't used this. So I have no idea. And I'm a little, not scared because I'm not afraid of anything. But hopefully this is something easy, clean, and something that worth our money, right? We want to make sure that whatever we use, we can take the most of our money. I'm gonna use hair clips. I don't know. You can use everything. You know, like I'm not doing this at home, so definitely I don't have clips for this type of things. So I'm gonna use this. Hopefully it works. And now let's open this. This is the powder, and I'm making a mess already. But oh my, they say throw everything, but I'm not sure if I should put everything. What if I don't like? Well, Eliana and Angelina, keep the instructions. I don't like instructions. I don't like following rules. Well, sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. Okay. So I think I have everything there. This is nice because you can trash later. Okay. So the activator goes here. I can relate this to cooking, so I'm okay to that because when I'm cooking, just put everything. No, I'm just kidding. I know, but when you're cooking, you want it to kind of like lock and let yourself loose. They say that this will get hard quick, and it's getting hard. It looks like gesso. I don't know how you say gesso, but it's like when you break your legs. Oh my god. Oh my god, ¿qué estoy haciendo? It's like when you break your for example, you break your, oh yeah, and where are the gloves? I don't care. And when you break your arm and then they put you a white thing, that's gesso in Spanish. So this has a gesso look. I haven't get a gesso here in the US, so I don't know how you call it. Well, and even in Ecuador, yeah, you put. Did you know that in Latin America, we use gesso to create waist? You know, like Kim Kardashian puts, you know, like the waist trainer. We put gesso to reduce, you know, like, and to create the hips, like Shakira and J-Lo, you know, like all of them. So look, this is like. I need the gloves. Okay. So, well, as you guys know, I said to all of you that I haven't tried this. So definitely, I don't know. But I know that my skin, my hands are not gonna die for this. So one of the things that I saw about this product is that it dries quick. So you can do it. Oh yeah. Like it's like crema chantilly or whipped cream in English. Look, this is like whipped cream. At the beginning I thought I won't have enough, but I might have enough. So remember guys, like if we're in the kitchen, don't forget to wipe up your bowl. Yeah. Okay, good. Done. This is done, and yes, you have a mess. So, and you're gonna brush your hair. Okay. I love this hair brush. It's from Harry Josh. It's amazing. It's so soft. Okay. So, they said that you want to do it in 3 parts. So, okay. So 3 parts. One goes here, and then wait. Oh my god. It's just my fingers. OMG. Okay. You see, that's why in the videos it looks so easy. Oh man. Okay, hold here. Okay. Oh my god. It looks so easy. Like I did saw the video before I get it and I was like, oh, easy, piece of cake. You know, after seeing so many times applying products in my hair, you know, like you feel like it's easy. You know, like I can do it. If she can, why I cannot? Okay. Oh my god. Now number 2. Okay. I think like honestly, I hate it when they made it look so easy because it's a little bit messy. Okay. And also you want to look nice, right? Okay, now here. Ay, Dios mío. Okay, perfect. Finish! Now, go take a shower. No, I didn't even did this. Okay, so they say to do it in 3 bars, and they say no baby hair. Yes. So they said to do, they recommend, right? I don't know. This is my first time trying it, so they say to grab a line over here. And oh my god, if you're watching, Joanna, yep. I don't know what I'm doing. They say okay. Okay. Oh my god, I think I put too much. But we can take it out like this. Que bestia, I'm an expert, you see? Okay. 35 minutes. I'm gonna put my timer and then I'm going to be washing my hair. I am going to use the toner, the shampoo and the toner, and then I'll tell you. See you in 35. Let me take my gloves. So I did to the toner. I did wash my hair. as was instructed. And also I did blow dry my hair so you can see it dry, how it looks. You can see that it really works. Look, like, I will definitely use the toner one more time, and maybe, you know, like twice, just to tone it down, because I do see a little bit of, you know, like a warm color. That's the way they call it. But look, definitely it's something, and it's this written there. It brings like a light. One of the things that I see based on my experience is that you want to make sure that you went to your salon and you did your highlights and also your root, right? Then you retouch your root, and then is when you're gonna use this. Because if you don't have your highlights, you know, like, this won't work and give you that bright color that you're looking forward to achieve. But definitely, I will buy it again. If you remember, I used the entire content of the box, and I used it all, and it works, and it was beautiful. You saw it previously, and so definitely thumbs up. I love it. I like it, and my stylist will be like, "Oh, good job." I like it. So if you want to see more videos like this, I would love to try new things and see if it works. And if it works, we experience it together, and we mark it yes or we mark it no. For the ones that remember about my Dyson video, as you guys see, I became a pro, and I love it. I can't live without my Dyson. It is heavy and big and bulky when I'm traveling, but I don't care. My Dyson deserves it. So I learned how to use my Dyson, by the way, and look at my hair. And it's just in 20 minutes.